An increasing number of businesses, including gyms, are requiring customers to be vaccinated. In some cases, it's bringing in more people who want a safe space to work out. Chris Conti takes a look at what you can do to make sure your workout is safe.
One of the things about expectations through COVID is it's really evolved.
Christina Tagliente and her brother Joey opened Row Republic in Boston back in 2019. The last 2 years have been filled with plenty of uncertainty.
It's very unprecedented, and it's a very unique situation.
With cases of COVID continuing to rise, this small business joined a growing list of others and now requires every person who enters this studio, staff or client, to be vaccinated. They're not yet mandating masks since they aren't required by officials here in the city of Boston.
Focus on what you can control. We fully acknowledge that the past couple of weeks there has been a little bit of volatility in the COVID cases, but we know what we can do here at this studio to keep people safe is to require that all clients, staff, members, individuals, anyone who is on premise to be fully vaccinated.
Rowers, are you ready? All right.
Cities across the country are taking similar steps. LA and New York City are now requiring proof of vaccination for indoor dining and gyms. Larger gym chains like Equinox and SoulCycle are also now requiring people to be vaccinated if they want to work out.
The expectation is get vaccinated, be vaccinated, do everything that you can to eliminate the risk.
This virus is not going to disappear. We're going to have to suppress it. And the way to do that is to get vaccinated.
That is Vanderbilt University's Dr. William Schaffner, one of the country's leading infectious disease experts. He sees gyms and other businesses requiring vaccines as a necessary next step in trying to once again contain COVID.
I think we're now at the time where we also have to not only pull, but push. And we're going to oblige people to be vaccinated if they wish to participate in certain activities.
Whether folks should be masking up again while working out, Dr. Schaffner says this.
When I go to the gym, I'm breathing much more deeply. I'm exhaling much more. And I think if you can, wear that mask. It really does help protect you and the other people in the gym.
What about other forms of exercise, though? Running, biking, anything outdoors does lower your risk dramatically. If you can keep your distance from others while running, your likelihood of catching COVID is pretty low. But
if you're in groups, sometimes when I travel, I have to jog in a city and I'm weaving through people on the sidewalk. At that point, it becomes courteous to wear the mask.
I love the power here. Let's go.
Back at Row Republic, they continue to monitor local health department recommendations, while also hoping that that vaccine requirement not only keeps their gym members safe, but also pushes people who are holding out to get their shot in an effort to protect others.
To encourage people to get vaccinated. I mean, the higher the rate and the higher velocity of people getting vaccinated, the lower the risk we're creating for everyone.
As this and other gyms across the country continue to do whatever they can to keep people safe.
Last 2 minutes of work. Come on, take us home.
While also helping them stay healthy.
Open up your body to that right knee and wave to your neighbor.
In Boston, I'm Chris Conti.
Thank you for joining us this week for our look at the vaccine rollout. Next week, our topic is crime, the new ways criminals are targeting innocent people and how people are fighting back. Until then, from Charlotte, North Carolina, I'm Chris Stewart, and this is The Race.